But thanks for your patience. It it does have a sort of happy ending. Okay, now I'm back to work. Let's see. So I put Felipe user and Felipe share. Oh, so I'm gonna do this all the way down. So I go to the top, and what do I need to put in there? Felipe user and Felipe share, maybe. Yeah, I think I have to do that. Felipe hyphen underscore share, and oh, I forgot to put Felipe user. I think I forgot to put Felipe hyphen user in that column. Added one more folder. And it's shared by name. Now let me first do that. Gonna make it darker. Yeah. Okay. So what folder am I adding? I'm gonna add pay hyphen folder. That's payroll. So I type in pay hyphen folder and color code it same as that color. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna add pay. Oh, I'm gonna add one more. The pay share. Insert pay share. Pay underscore share. Okay, thank you. So I'm color coding so that they match. What happened to the I'm trying to find the color that I used before. That one will work. Use that color. Light green. Okay, use that color. Put it there. Okay. So I added pay folder is the one more folder, and it's share by the same name, except for the underscore share. The suffix. Okay, that looks good. But I still need to enter the password. Hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm seeing, hey, how come that, let's see, Felipe share. Hmm. I think I didn't put Felipe user in the column F as in Frank. I'm gonna put the password, and I'm gonna put the, okay, now I'm in business. I forget to put the passwords for those two. You think I'm ready? I don't think I'm ready. I may be missing some things. Yeah, like here. I want Carlos to have control of pay folder and pay share. Let's see, where am I? It's kind of slow, yeah. It's pretty boring right now, but I gotta go over and make sure all the folders are where they're supposed to be. I think I made a mistake in the light orange colored column. I think I forgot to put Felipe user folder in there for the ones 6 through 14. Oh, let's see what I'm adding here. Oh, I think I'm gonna put pay share. I gotta put pay share in all of them except for Carlos and Christian, right? And I gotta put it there, paste, and right there. I skipped two of them because those two are the administrators of pay share. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I think I made a mistake, but it shouldn't be too serious of a mistake. Maybe I'll. Oh, look, I'm putting finishing touches. I gotta put pay folder there, and skip two, and then go to the next one. So I skip those two and put it there. Now here, okay, I think I believe I am finished. I think I'm gonna put a space between row 16 and row 17 and insert a row, but I want to make it white. all the way across. So I'm going to go from here to the end. Gotta be careful. I don't go down a row, so it's just one row. And there too. So there, that's the bottom of the file, row 16. So it goes from row 16 to column G, I think. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah, that's 7. Like 7 notes, musical notes. I wonder if I put Felipe user. I think that one's missing, Felipe user. Oh, I bring it down. Okay, so I gotta bring this down. So I'm gonna go. I think I may be ready. Notice that I forgot to put the password. The password for the bottom two, or the one on row 15 and row 16. I just added those. Well, I'm checking to see if I made any mistakes. See if I found that, it would be a mistake, and I found that, it would have been a mistake. But I didn't find them, so there's no mistakes of that kind. But I think I'm happy that I didn't catch the password. That's a row B, no, column B. It should extend all the way down. It should be filled all the way down to row 16. So I could use any password from row 6 to 16, but I use the same one all the way down, because I'm not going to be accessing those users. Nobody's going to be accessing those users from 6 to 16. So I think at that moment I was thinking, oh, I think I'm done. So I'm going to copy and paste into that one. No. Well, I'm gonna select all and paste it, and then save it as stage 4. So I'm gonna just see stage 4. Give it today's date, 6/01. Save it. So I think what I'm gonna do is have all the stages open in case I need them, but I really only need that one, stage 4, if I'm not mistaken. So there's stage 1. I'm opening it It's in the cloud, so it took a little while. I'm gonna open stage 2. It's also in the cloud. There's stage 2. Stage 3 and stage 4. And if I'm not mistaken, I ran stages 1 through 3, and I got no errors that I could determine. Yeah. So I better hurry and import stage 4. Okay, so let's look at users. It takes a little while to load. Okay, there it is, loaded. But I go to the select. Let's select that one. Let's see what it looks like. That's Alvaro user. So, oh, that looks pretty good, right? Alvaro user has full access to himself and to some other ones. And okay, so I'm confident I don't have to look over anything. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up stage 4. And I'm gonna, because I forgot to put the password to the last 2. See, these last 2 that I added, they don't have passwords, so that it produced an X. See, did you see that X? And I said, hey, how come that's got an X? It seems looks like it's okay. But it's just that I forgot the password. But I don't remember that I forgot the password. So I think I'm gonna run it and see what happens. So I'm running it. So I added Felipe. In this pass, but I don't see Felipe there. Let's see. There's Alba. Nothing seemed to happen. Oh, I see Felipe, user and share. So it did create Felipe user and share. Oh, but it didn't create pay folder and pay share because I forgot the password. I forgot to put the password. You gotta give each user that you create a password. And it didn't give me an error message. It just put an X, and I didn't know what the X meant. But I still haven't figured out why didn't it finish adding? Why didn't it add the last 2 that I wanted added? The pay user and pay share. No, the pay folder and pay share. And then I said, oh, let's see. Let's look at the spreadsheet. Okay. See what's wrong with the spreadsheet. Oh, I forgot the password. So just copy and paste the password in there. Okay, now I got the password. Okay, so I gotta go back and copy and paste from there to the other corner, the opposite corner, from one corner to the other. So I copy and then go to the file that's it's got the name stage 04, and I selected all and pasted it and saved it, and now I'm going to upload it again, the same file, now that I fixed it. So now it should work. So I go to select it, stage 4. So it's attached. Now I'm gonna it's now there's no errors, no X's for pay folder and pay share because they got the passwords. Okay, let's see what happened. Oh, see, now they show up, pay folder and pay share. There's pay folder and pay share. User pay folder and pay share have been denied access to everything. Pay share the share pay folder. Oh, no user gets access to pay folder nor to pay share. So, but that's not, that's the first pass, and that's a secret that I discovered, that when that happens, well, this one's working okay because it's an, oh no, that's Felipe, right? User Felipe. Oh, Felipe share. Oh, it's kind of working. So I'm going to pass through it again. So I'm going to go add multiple users and import users. I'm going to pass the same file again. So this is the second pass. That'll fix the incompletion. It didn't complete all the permissions. So I'm going to overwrite import user list, select stage 4, open, next, loading, there's no errors, no X's, because nothing had been changed. It didn't have errors before. Well, it did when I forgot the password. But okay, let's see what happened. So let's check pay folder. There's nothing interesting here. I don't know why. I'm just not doing anything right now. Nothing's happening. Sorry for there being nothing happen, but I'm pretty sure something will happen pretty soon, any second now. Because I got it to work, except for an anomaly. I'll point to something that didn't quite work. I don't know what I'm doing right now. But I should be checking the user that I added. I added Felipe user and Felipe share, and I added pay. Okay, I can check this. Looks okay. Okay, there's pay share and pay folder. I'll check. Let's see, where's Felipe? There's Felipe user, Felipe share. Let's check that one. That one looks good. Felipe user has access to Felipe user and Felipe share and op share and yeah, it looks good. That's Felipe user, right? Oh, let's see. Is this where I find a mistake? Kind of. I think there should be a Christian share. We should see. Where's Christian share? Felipe share. Okay, Felipe share. It should be accessible. It should be accessible by Christian. Oh, let me check pay share. I didn't catch what I found later at that moment, but I'll catch it. What am I looking at? Did I click on pay share? That means that Carlos user has complete access to it. Pay share is viewable by all the other users, by Alberto user, Camilo user, Camilo user. Oh. The different shares. Carlos user is accessible by Carlos only, but Carlos share is accessible by all the other users. Let's see, check Alvaro share. How come I'm not showing? Let's see Camilo share. See? Do you see Christian share in the middle? I mean, not Christian share, but Christian user. Christian user should get to see Camilo share. So that's a mistake. So I say, hey, how come that's not right? What could cause it? So I think I ran out of space, and so this ends pretty soon. Well, let's see. Well, I think. Oh. Wow. 134, and I got 6 minutes left. 6 minutes and 20 seconds left. Let's see. So I think I'm thinking, what could cause Camilo user to not have, or is it the other way around? What could cause Christian user to not have access to Camilo share? It's there. See the pink column? I see Camilo share. Felipe user. I'm going over making sure that this column is right. I see that I got all the shares correct, right? Yeah. I'm going over column E is the read-only column, making sure that it's all full of shares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, maybe I misspelled something. What's going on? Oh, I go back to here. Let's see. I'm looking at. What was I looking at? Camilo share. I'm looking at the share called Camilo share, and who has access to it. And Christian user should have access to it, but he doesn't. And that's an error. Well, I'm not sure why it's caused. Maybe I misspelled something in the file. Christian user should have access to Camilo share. It looks correct. Then why didn't it pick it up? Oh, you know what? Maybe I put it in the access denied column, and it got denied that way. So even though I have it in the read-only column, maybe I also have it in the denied access column. So that's what I'm looking for. Let's see how much time I have left. I have a minute and a half left. Let's see. Maybe I could look for it. What's going on? Hey. I'm about done. Ooh. Am I done? Now I'm still looking. Yeah, I'm wondering why. Why is Christian user denied access to Camilo share? Christian user combination. Oh, I see the error, I think. I don't know. There's Christian user. Okay, it's done. So thanks for watching. Let's see if I can synchronize the audio track with the video. Hope this helps. It's gonna help me, I think.